Welcome to Mindful Meditation Magic, your sanctuary for guided visualizations and uplifting meditations. Together we can create a ripple of love and positivity in the world. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated or lying position. Close your eyes gently, allowing the darkness to envelop you like a warm, cozy blanket. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and abdomen rise. And exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding on to. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed, your mind becoming quieter, and your spirit becoming more attuned to the magic of this moment. Imagine yourself now in a serene forest, a forest unlike any other. It's a crisp autumn day, and the air is filled with the earthy scent of fallen leaves. As you stand in this enchanted forest, take a moment to notice the vibrant colors of the leaves all around you. Shades of red, orange, and gold create a stunning tapestry beneath your feet. With each step you take, you feel the soft crunch of leaves beneath your shoes, grounding you to the present moment. The sunlight filters through the tall trees, casting dappled patterns of light and shadow on the forest floor. Take a moment to deeply inhale the crisp, refreshing air. Feel the cool breeze on your skin. And as you exhale, let go of any worries or thoughts that may have followed you here. As you continue your walk, you might notice some friendly woodland creatures emerging from their cozy hideaways. Squirrels scamper playfully among the branches, and birds sing sweetly from above. Perhaps a deer or a rabbit crosses your path, offering you a curious glance before disappearing into the foliage. The forest is alive with a gentle energy, and you can sense a feeling of peace and serenity wash over you. You are one with this enchanted place, and it fills you with a deep sense of contentment. Listen to the rustling leaves and the gentle breeze. Feel the earth beneath your feet, connecting you to the ancient wisdom of the forest. In this moment, you are fully present, fully grounded, and completely at ease. As our time in this magical forest comes to a close, take one more deep breath in, savoring the scents and sounds of this special place. As you exhale, slowly bring your awareness back to the room you're in, feeling a sense of renewal and inner calm. With gratitude for this enchanted experience, slowly open your eyes, returning to the world around you, carrying the serenity of the forest with you as you go about your day. Know that the magic you've experienced in this meditation resides within you at all times. Please consider subscribing, sharing, and commenting below to be a part of this vibrant community. Until next time, stay connected, stay inspired, and keep radiating your light.